magaling kong anak ko. May paghugas-hugas pa, oh. Ano yan? Wow. Ang galing. Wow. Talaga naman. Ayusin ang paghugas, ha? Hindi ganyan.
I'm doing the other side.
Other side pa. Oh, dami mong hugasan.
You're doing a video?
Yeah. Oh, ito na naman tayo. Kasali ka na naman. Dito ka na naman din talaga.
Wait, I will do this later, the soaps, and then I will wash it.
No, you have you. You know what?
What?
You do first the glass. So this is where you can put your the spoon and fork there. Wash the glass first.
This might slip down from my hand.
A little bit. Okay na. Put water so it's slippery. Puti-putin. Okay na yan.
Mommy, today I will do all of your chores.
Okay.
Today is the day you're resting.
Not like that.
Mommy, today is
No, not like that. You hold the glass, hold it. You like this. Yeah. Twist it. Twist it.
I know now. Here. Oh.
No need. It's okay. All of it.